For each chapter besides chapter 1, you will complete an in-class problem and an end-of-chapter problem. And in the process of doing those problems, you will print a lot of reports out of QuickBooks. So for instance, when you get to chapter 2, you will print a report that looks like this. In fact, it's identical to this. And one of the things that I feel that students need to know is, okay, so what does this report mean? You print tons and tons and tons of reports during this class, but I find that there is a disconnect about what these reports mean. So in order to try to fill in that disconnect, I am going to have each student do a write-up about every report that they print. And so don't have a meltdown yet. This is not a lengthy process, but this is a necessary process in order to make that connection between what you're printing and what it is. So for example, this is a customer balance summary. And now I'm going to show you a sample of what I am looking for. I'm not necessarily looking for it in paragraph form. You could do it in outline form. This would just be an example of one that I have created. So for example, customer balance summary. Customer balance summary is a report of what customers owe us, and it shows that it's a total of $31,425. It shows what each individual customer owes us, not just a total. So I want you to go into detail about what each report has on it and how the managers or owners of the business can use it. That's the most important part to me, is that how do managers use it, and why is that report useful? So please follow along. I have done every report for chapter 2. And then you will include this when you zip your file together and submit it to me on Blackboard. So when you are zipping together all the PDFs that you have printed for computer consulting, you will include this file right here that you have created about this report write-up. If you have any questions, please feel free to send me an email, and I'd be more than happy to clarify what the requirement is for this assignment. And again, you will do this for every single one you do. So you will do this for your in-class problem and your end of chapter problem.